Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll be talking about the 50 naira note. If you are just coming across my channel for the first time, you are most definitely welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, share with your friends and loved ones. Also click on the bell icon right beside the subscribe button so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. The 50 naira note is a denomination of Nigerian currency exchange. The 50 naira note was introduced in October 1991 and it was the highest denomination in the country at that time. They were withdrawn from circulation in 2009. The 50 naira paper banknote features the pictures of 3 men and a woman, and behind the note shows that they were farmers. September 30th, 2009, the redesign of the 50 naira, 20 naira, 10 naira and 5 naira banknotes were converted to the police substrate. Thus, all lower denominations were printed to the police substrate up to this very time, or up to this very moment, 2022. They are currently in circulation. The blue-colored poly banknote of 50 naira features the people of Nigeria, showing 4 portraits of Nigeria. The 50 naira note has a see-through window, and on the back of the 50 naira notes are images of 3 fishermen at work. It's very funny, or it's very amusing, how Nigerians call the 50 naira inside Lagos busy market. Among the Yorubas, it is called wazo, wazobia, or waso, because the note has image of 3 ethnic groups in Nigeria, and there is also a picture of a lady in the naira note representing the Middle Belt. This brings us to the ending of this video, of this short video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.